Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the Model Builder. We're going on with that Star Wars
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Yes, R2D2, and as you saw in the previous days, we went quite far. We made those arms, and I made a little mistake there, but fixed it. These little brackets are in a certain way and a certain place. But we're going straight to 85, so issue 85. The Force is with you. Darth Vader. That's what we're going to do today. Sorry about that. Body panel and details. We're doing the details first, and then we're going on with some parts that we have here, and I think we need to get those back from the previous days, but I don't know where. So let me have a quick look if I have them, and then come back to you. Right there and there you see these, which are numbered LFR 18 and LFR. They're both LFR 18. Okay, peculiar. I would have thought they were different. Both LFR 18. All right, let's get into this and start this body panel build. There we go, and we put down a lot of screws just now from this pack. So last time I did put that in, I was not supposed to put it in. It was only to push it in, I think. We'll come to that in a moment. They want us to put these two together first, which are already together, as you can see right there. Then pushing that in like so, and then screwing it in with the 2.4 mil. That is not good enough. Have a look at that. That's way too big. It is. It's these little tiny ones. Well, that's the thing with these this build. So we're putting these together like so. So that we have a closed off area. Push it on like so, turn it around, and let's see what we put in this one. The 4 mils as well. I think we can put these in. A mistake from the previous one. I don't think that was supposed to happen, but it's a neat round one. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on these areas so they stay in. It's not as bad that you cannot get it out anymore, but screws aren't necessary. Where should we have that L? They're both exactly the same. And they're saying it's marked with an L or an R. It's marked with a 1, both of them. Like so. Then let's put that one back on again. Let's try it without glue oil, because it's not working. All right, that worked. So let's do all 4 of them, and then we'll come back to you. This is the last one going on. I have both sides in. Both sides angled towards the sensors, to me. As you can see right there, and they're angled towards that side. And that's stage 85 done. Let's go to 86 as well. 86, as you can see right there. Two compartments and an arm we are building. And then we need to get the other parts that I have out as well, because we've got one part here. We should have another part as well, which is lying right there. So we will get that out to join the front panels together. And this is what we should have then. Really nice. Let's see what we do. Pour myself some English tea. All right, we need that one, we need that one, we need that ring and that pointy thing, that one, a screw like that plus nut. Let's use a little bit thicker one, which is scented. It smells like lemons. There we go, that is together. We're gonna use a bit of glue on that as well. Put that over. There we go. Got them all together. Then we need to have a look at that. Do we glue that as well? Yep, we do. Let's use the see, it's lemon. Lemonen. There we go. Then we get that one. Oh, and that one together. We put that nut in this side. Screw on the other side and screw that in carefully. And that is what we should have. That's the first assembling the arm. Now we're going to get that one out and put that arm in there like so. And then screw in a, must be a 6mm, yeah. Is this 6mm? It is 6mm. That, I think this is the thin one. I need a thicker one. And that's 6mm as well, I think. Yeah. Yeah. That is done as well. And now the next thing we do is these. And I remember from the last time that is a hassle to put on. Let's see if we can do it quicker this time. Not too bad this time. Let's do the other side as well, and went a lot better than the last time. Yep, squiggly squiggly. I think these are the same screws again. Yep. That is what we should have. Then we put that one in there. Yeah, what kind of screw is that? It's the 6mm as well, but I haven't got enough of them. All these screws are going in, and I'll be back. 5 of them in total. All right. Then we're gonna put these together. .36 flange is what they're asking. That's a different screw to what I thought I was supposed to put on. I think we need to unscrew those to put them on. So this is the second panel that's going on. What I found a bit strange, it has an arrow there, so it was pointing to that, but that was going over that and overlapping. And this is out of sync, but as soon as that will be put in, we'll see. And I think that is it for this. It will all be put into place as soon as it's on a base or something of some sort. And that is what we have when we put that together. Let me turn it around with that on the other side, with one there, one there, which I had to glue in just now, one there, which will go, but you will have to push a little bit, and that's it. Thank you very much for joining me there again. I was pretty happy with how that came out, as you can see right there. And let me turn that around, and that, so really happy with it. I'm really happy with that, and it's come together really nicely. I thought when I saw it first, then I ordered it because it was sorry about that, and it was possible to order it in the Netherlands. I didn't know it was this size. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's a nice size. It's not too massive, as you can see on the side camera right there. That is about it, plus arms and dome. So that really nice. All right, thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on. Join me next time when I do some more on this one or any of the ones you see in the background or on my channel. Please have a look at that and like and subscribe, and I do hope that you will join me next time. Thank you very much for now. Bye bye.